All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about ICP. You guys can see that the market has gone higher since our last price prediction, which was on the 3rd of July. So let's go ahead and break down what we think the market in ICP is going to do next. Welcome to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe for more videos and content. This is what we do. Price predictions. So now, market hit our ultimate TP price on the 14th of July. Price prediction was produced on the 3rd, 11.29% on July the 14th. If we were to get out of the market right now, though, that would increase to 17.7%. Let's get rid of it. We will also get rid of this sell pocket here into the market in ICP. You guys can see that there were a couple of days, though, that the market in ICP did show some signals of weakness and selling as price attempted to break through on the 14th and then again on the 15th, and then lastly on the 16th of July. And then ultimately the buyers broke through that pocket. And as you can see right now, the market is currently having issues with trying to trade through this sell pocket, which simply means, hey, there's people taking profit. People have been positioned here in the market in ICP ever since June 2025. And then again, they're on May 12th, 2025, and take us all the way back even to March. So there's a pretty big area of people willing to sell out of their ICP within this $6.08 to $6.22 range of selling. So now the question resides to, okay, are the buyers still willing to try to break price above the sell pocket? Because if so, then we need to go with a continuation of movement of higher prices. If not, we need to look for price to at least come down and take a breather. So what we're going to try to do first is we're going to try to create some areas that we suspect the buyers to be. So here it is on the 5-hour chart for ICP. And we're going to go ahead and create this area right here as a buy pocket for ICP. So let's go ahead and make this into a buy pocket. And we might need to do one more, like right here. So it looks like on the 1-hour chart of us creating that pocket of buying. You may actually want to bring this down over a little bit. Okay, so here's the next one right here. And here it is on the 330. Just a quick look so you can see where the market actually is finding more buyers. So when we saw price in ICP take a high of $5.57, it caught buyers here. Price went up. Then price went right back down, caught buyers at $5.26. Market went up and it was maintaining consolidation, i.e. there's still buyers buying, and then the market finally broke out. Okay, now one thing you can see here on the 330 is that we're definitely seeing an increase in volume as price is knocking on the door of this big sell pocket. So apparently it has been an increase in selling in the market in ICP. Okay, these last two 330-minute price bars, we can clearly see that volume has increased. The only way that it would increase is once price approached its sell pocket, it released a deluge of sell orders and people trying to take profit. That's what's going on. So let's look at this on the 90-minute chart. So yeah, currently we're seeing the price on a downward move on the short term. Here it is even on the 30-minute chart. You guys can see that, yes. We're seeing a downtrend occur on the smaller time frames. Here's ICP on the 2. Take a look at ICP on the 3. So the ultimate question now is, we saw price in ICP since the beginning of this year come to this area of selling not once, not twice, but 3 times. Is this market going to break above the sell pocket? Or will this market in ICP continue to consolidate in this very tight trading range? Because that's what's going on. This market ultimately is trading within the trading range. We're not trending in the market in ICP. So logical reasoning would send and lend us to say, hey, look, maybe it's time for us to take the profit. Because price came here 3 times. And every time it came here, price went down. Here is ICP on the 4. Here it is on the 5. ICP on the weekly. 2 weeks. 2 weeks looks pretty good. It does look pretty good on a 2-week time frame that the market ICP does show that buyers really want control of the price. Here it is on the 3, 5, and the monthly. So I'm not going to drop a price prediction here for ICP yet. We need to see right now what's going to happen to that sell pocket. Okay, because if the market reacts this way, let me show you. As we see price come here, if we hold this area like it's very tight and it's not trending down, it's not going lower, then we need to continue to look for price to go up. But as we see price here now and we get a quick reaction to the downside and buyers just seem like they don't want it, you need to be prepared for price to come down. And we really don't have that yet into the market in ICP to substantiate, say, yeah, we're going to play the market move to the downside and or to the upside. This is just another opportunity for us to say, I need to put the brakes on this. I need to put this prediction on ice, or put it into the oven, let it cook some more, so that we get a better idea as to what this cryptocurrency is going to do next. So I'm not going to waste your time. This is where we at. We need to put this on ice. And then once it becomes more apparent that these buyers are still controlling this price in ICP, we'll come in and drop a market move to the upside. But if it looks like the week's going to continue, then we need to anticipate some lower prices. We already have created areas though that we need to see that occur, that buyers are still interested in ICP. Okay, so you might even put one right here from today. Now, the sooner we do see price come down and bounce off a pocket, the stronger price is. If we don't see ICP hold this first buy pocket, this second one, this third one, then you might can say, yeah, we might come all the way back down to 471. So we need to see at what point will ICP buyers hold price. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.